In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Gemini to N8N. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video because it really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you valuable content. Now, let's dive into the process of connecting Google Gemini to N8N, a powerful workflow automation tool. This is going to be a step-by-step guide, ensuring you don't miss anything along the way. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to N8N. You can do this by simply typing N8N into your search bar. This will land you on the official N8N website. Once you're there, look for the option to access N8N directly. It might say something like go to N8N. Go ahead and click that. Once you're on the N8N homepage, there should be a Get Started button. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. So click on that button and follow the prompts to set up your account. Don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. After you've signed up and logged into your account, head over to your dashboard. You'll find an option that says Open Instance. When you click on that, it will redirect you to your personal N8N workspace. Next, locate the N8N logo, typically found at the top left of the screen. Click on it, and this should bring you back to your main dashboard. Now we're ready to get into the workflow of connecting Google Gemini. So the next step is to click on Create Workflow. You'll find this option on your main dashboard as well. Click there, and a new workspace will open up for you to start building your workflow. In this new workspace, look for the plus icon that allows you to add your first step. Go ahead and click on that. This will pop up a search panel. Here, you can search for AI agent. Once you find it in the Search Nodes panel, click on it to add it to your workflow. After that, a pop-up window will appear, asking for details about the AI agent you want to attach. You can close that pop-up for now. We'll come back to it shortly. Now you want to add a chat model to your AI agent. Look for the plus icon at the bottom of the AI agent section and click on that. After you've added the model, it's time to search for Gemini in the search nodes again. You should see Google Gemini chat model in the results. Click on that to add it to your workflow. You'll now need to fill in some parameters for the Google Gemini chat model. Open the Credentials section within the Parameters box. Click on Create New Credential, and this is where you'll enter the API key that you created from Google AI Studio. Once you have entered your API key, remember to click Save. After saving, go ahead and close the pop-up window. Now that you have set up your credentials, it's time to put your chat model into action. In the chat section, type in your message. For example, you might just want to say, "Hi." It's a simple introduction that starts the interaction with the AI agent. After typing your message, give it a moment. It might take a minute for the AI to process and return its output. To finalize this workflow, you can double-click on the AI agent in your workspace to see everything you've set up in one glance. This will give you a clear overview of the workflow you've created, ensuring that everything is in place and that you're ready to start using Google Gemini with N8N effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Google Gemini to N8N. It's pretty powerful to think about how you can automate tasks and enhance your productivity using these tools together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.